The 2014 Pagani Huayra represents a pinnacle of automotive artistry and engineering, marking the Italian hypercar manufacturer's bold successor to the iconic Zonda. Unveiled initially through a press release on January 25, 2011, with its official public debut at the Geneva Motor Show that March, the Huayra stunned the supercar world with its blend of breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and raw performance. Named after Huayra Tata, the Quechua wind god revered in Andean mythology for commanding breezes and storms, the car embodies fluidity, power, and ethereal grace, qualities Horacio Pagani sought to capture in every curve and component. At its core lies a masterpiece of collaboration, a 6.0-litre twin-turbocharged 60-degree V12 engine, custom-developed by Mercedes AMG specifically for Pagani. Designated the M158, this powerplant delivers 730 horsepower at 5,800 RPMs and a massive 738 pound-foot of torque available from 2,250 to 4,500. Pagani requested modifications to minimize turbo lag. Smaller turbos, revised intercooler setup, and ECU tuning, yielding razor-sharp throttle response and explosive acceleration. The engine, hand-assembled at AMG's Affalterbach facility, subsequently each bearing the technician's nameplate, meets stringent EU5 LEV2 emission standards while achieving remarkable efficiency for its output, with CO2 figures rivaling far less potent vehicles. Power routes through a 7-speed automated manual transmission, X-Track Pagani collaboration, to the rear wheels, propelling the Huayra from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.8 to 3.3 seconds, depending on testing conditions, and toward a top speed exceeding 230 miles per hour. Weighing dry at just 1,350 kilograms, the Huayra achieves this lightness through obsessive material innovation. Its central monocoque chassis is constructed from an advanced carbon titanium weave, a Pagani-exclusive composite blending carbon fiber with titanium for superior strength to weight and crash protection. This structure, drawing from Zonda R-track techniques, incorporates gull-wing doors that sweep upward, encompassing part of the roof for dramatic entry and enhanced rigidity. Suspension employs double wishbones with forged titanium arms and active aerodynamic elements. 4 flaps, 2 front, 2 rear, automatically adjust via ECU inputs from speed, yaw, and throttle data, generating adaptive downforce without fixed wings. This system creates negative lift, amplified by the underbody and massive rear diffuser framed by an elliptical surround encasing the signature 4 central exhaust outlets, a Pagani hallmark resembling a fighter jet's afterburner. Aesthetically, the Huayra departs from the Zonda's sharp angular aggression toward smoother, more organic forms with flowing lines and a fighter jet-inspired greenhouse. The low-slung profile features prominent front fenders supporting antler-like mirrors, sculpted air intakes, and a drag coefficient of just 0.31. The rear integrates a prominent diffuser and quad exhausts centered above the bumper, while semi-elliptical grilles vent heat from the mid-mounted engine bay. Every surface exudes bespoke craftsmanship. Exposed carbon fiber, titanium accents, and hand-finished details reflect Pagani's atelier philosophy. Inside, the cockpit prioritizes driver immersion and luxury. Controls cluster on the steering wheel for seamless operation without the hands being removed, while gear paddles mount directly to it. Bucket seats, upholstered in premium leather and Alcantara, offer excellent support and comfort for grand touring. A touchscreen handles navigation and infotainment, with ample space for longer journeys, unusual in such extreme machines. Pirelli developed bespoke P0 tires to match, balancing grip, enabling up to 1.66 g lateral acceleration, with low rolling resistance for efficiency. Priced around $1.4 million and limited to roughly 100 coupes, which sold out quickly, the 2014 Huayra wasn't merely a car, it was a rolling sculpture, a technological manifesto proving hypercars could combine brutal performance, environmental consideration, and soul-stirring beauty. It redefined what a limited production masterpiece could achieve, influencing the segment for years. Thank you for watching.